Hello, hi students, how are you? I expect all of you will be fine, and I also wish that all of you will be engaged in the preparation for the board examinations. And also I am here to boost you, to cooperate you, to help you, to build your knowledge in mathematics. In the previous video, I have given the introductory class. You must watch the previous video. And also, now that was related to know what is the progression. That video was related. What is the progression and what are the types of progression, what is the arithmetic progression. But in this video, we will learn three things. First, identification. Second, get the terms. Third, sum of series. In this video, I will try to explain it. First, common here. Suppose we are given this series, root 3, root 12, root 27, dot, 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 dot. And we have to check whether it is in AP or not AP. The first number is root 3. Second number is here root 12. The root 12 can be written 4 into 3. Now its value, the square root of 4 is here 2 root 3. Root 27, its value is 9 into 3. A square root of 9 is 3 root 3. Okay. Now we will get the difference between second and the first. So 2 root 3 minus root 3 becomes 1 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3, it becomes root 3. What we see? That this term, and this term, common difference is same. Therefore, then I will write here, since common difference is same, therefore, it is in AP. Okay? For your clarification, I am writing another example that will help you to identify the arithmetic progression. Suppose we are given root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Okay. Now, again, we will get the value of root 2. Its value is here, root 2. Root 8, again we will do factorize of 8. 8 becomes 4 into 2. A square root of 4 is here 2. It becomes 2 root 2. Root 18, it will be written 9 into 2. A square root of 9, 3. It becomes 3 root 2. 32. The 32, it can be written in this way, 16 into 2. The square root of 16 is equal to 4 root 2. So now we will get the difference between first term to second term. The 2 root 2 minus root 2 equal to single root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 equal to also single root 2. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 equal to also single root 2. What we see? The difference between second term to first term is root 2. Third term to second term equal to root 2. Fourth term to third term equal to root 2. Therefore, it is also in AP. Okay. This was the example of numerical value. One algebraic value, alphabetical number. Question based on alphabetical number, I am citing here. It will help you to understand clearly. Suppose it is, here is the series. Here is a progression. This is first term, second term, third term, and so on. So now again we will get difference between this and this. The 1 minus 2q by 2q. Second term minus first term. The minus 1 by 2q. So we will get a difference here, 2q. The 1 minus 2q minus 1. 1 is cancelled. Minus 2q by 2q. It cancel equal to minus 1. This is the second minus first. Value is here, minus 1. This is the third term. So I will write here, third term 1 minus 4q by 2q. A third term minus second term. The 1 minus 2q by 2q. It becomes here 2q. 1 minus 4q minus 1 plus 2q. Now this 1 and 1 is cancelled. 2q minus 4q equal to minus 2q by 2q equal to minus 1. So what we see? So here that common difference here was minus 1. Common difference is minus 1. Therefore, yes, it is in AP. Okay. So now we understood how will we identify the terms of an AP. Now another topic. Another topic is here that we are given the series. We have to find some unknown terms. The for it, suppose we are first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D. In this way, suppose it is in series. To get the last term is called nth term. The nth term, the T represents the term, N represents the number. The number of term, the number of nth term will N equal to, it is the formula, A plus N minus 1 into D. 1 plus 2D, the A plus 3D. N is the number of term. D is the common difference. A is the first term, starting term. It is the formula. In this formula, one question is here, look on here. Suppose we are given which term of AP is equal to is 0. Now, suppose we are, I write here 92, 88, 84, 80, ... 0. The first term, look on here. First we will check whether it is AP or not. 88 minus 92, minus 4. 84 minus 88, minus 4. Difference is minus 4. Difference is minus 4. Difference is minus 4. It is clear that it is in AP. Now, the first, this is the first term. First term, A equal to 92. Second is here, common difference. The common difference, 88 minus 92 equal to minus 4. I have minus 4. This is the last term. The last term is expressed by Tn. The Tn equal to 0. One students, one important point to you, that in arithmetic progression, we need 3 factors to get the every value of arithmetic progression. First, A, first term. Second, common difference D. Third is the N. If you get the value of A, number of the term and number of the term and common difference, then you get and you will find the progression very easily. Now, suppose A is here 92, we have a Tn is here 0. The Tn formula A plus N minus 1 into D. Tn is here 0. I will write here 0. A is here 92. I write here 92 plus N minus 1. D is here minus 4. Now minus 4, it comes here 4 into n minus 1. That negative comes to next side, that becomes positive. It is here 92. Therefore n minus 1, 92 by 4. Equal to 23. Therefore n equal to 23 plus 1 equal to 24. That is the answer. Okay. In this way we can solve. We can get the number of the term with this process. Another one more question. Okay, students. In this way you can solve the different question. In the next video I will give some of the more question that was from the different books and also I ask you that again it is appeal to you that you must share this video, like this video, and also subscribe to this video. Share this video to the large number. Like this video, it will motivate us to make more and more video to cooperate you. Okay, students, thanks. Wishing fine to you.